In today's video, I am going to teach you how to calculate square root in Microsoft Excel. This is a very simple Excel formula, and once you know where to click and what to type, you can calculate square roots in just a few seconds. Excel has a built-in function for this, which makes the process quick and accurate. This is especially useful if you are working with math data, reports, or any worksheet where you need to find the square root of a value. To begin, open your Excel worksheet and locate the number that you want to use. If your number is already in a cell, you can reference that cell in the formula. If not, you can also type the number directly into the formula yourself. Next, click on an empty cell where you want the result to appear. This is the cell that will display the square root after you enter the formula. Choosing an empty cell helps keep your worksheet organized and makes the result easier to read. Now type equals sqrt open parentheses. The sqrt function is Excel's square root formula. After that, either click on the cell that contains your number or type the number directly inside the parentheses. For example, if your value is stored in a nearby cell, selecting that cell tells Excel to calculate the square root of whatever number is in that location. If you type the number directly, Excel will calculate the square root of that exact value. Once you have entered the number or selected the correct cell, close the parenthesis. This completes the formula. Then press Enter on your keyboard. Excel will immediately show the square root in the cell you selected at the beginning. One helpful tip is to make sure the value you are using is a positive number or 0, because the sqrt function does not return a standard real number result for negative values. It is also a good idea to double-check that you selected the correct cell before pressing Enter, especially if you are working with a larger spreadsheet. Click an empty cell, type the sqrt formula, insert your number or select the cell, close the parenthesis, and press Enter. Once you try it a couple of times, it becomes very easy to remember. That covers everything you need to know.